Did you know that the average ChatGPT session lasts 3 times longer than a Google search? 14 minutes versus just 5. That tiny statistic hides a massive shift. The battle between answer engine and search engines started. People aren't just searching anymore, they are staying. They are exploring, generating, and iterating in ways Google was never designed for. So here's the real questions. Are we witnessing the end of Google search as we know it? If your business depends on organic traffic, this shift could quietly change everything about how your customers discover you. In this video, you'll discover what exactly an answer engine is and how it works differently than traditional search, why this shift is already changing how people make decisions and which brands they trust, and most importantly, how you can adapt your SEO and content strategy to stay visible when AI starts answering instead of linking. Let's start with the moment I realized something big was changing. The first time I realized Google was losing wasn't when I read an SEO report, which I do frequently. It was when I caught myself opening ChatGPT instead of Google to search for a provider, a local provider. My Porgola system broke and I needed a new one. I was short of time and willing to finish that task ASAP. Long story short, I went to ChatGPT, asked for 5 Pergola system providers in my area, checked their sites, and sent 5 emails to request an offer for my needs. Job done in under 20 minutes. I felt that I was quicker than using Google. I wasn't just looking for links anymore. I was having a conversation, asked first for providers, then for their contact pages, and I got what I needed fast. That's when it hit me. We are not just changing how we search, we are changing how we think and act. Search engines made us hunters, scrolling, filtering, then guessing which result might help. Answer engines turn us into collaborators. We don't hunt for information anymore. We co create understanding. And once you realize that, the whole online world looks completely different. What is an answer engine and why it matters now? An answer engine is an AI powered tool like ChatGPT, Claude Perplexity that doesn't just find information, it generates it, synthesizes it, and adapts it to your intent. It understands context, remembers your previous prompts, and speaks in your tone. If Google is a library, an answer engine is an on demand consultant. Fast, interactive, and personal. And this new model isn't coming someday, it's already here. The numbers don't lie, the data behind the shift. Let's talk about what's really happening behind the scenes. ChatGPT sessions now last almost 3 times longer than Google's, 14 minutes versus 5. A first page search study reveals. Some other studies suggest 75% of Gen Z already trust AI assistants answer more than Google. When Google adds AI overviews to results, some publishers lose 20 to 40% of their organic traffic. And ChatGPT's referral traffic has exploded, up 3,496% in the US alone, says a Gross Memo study. These aren't random trends. They show we are shifting from a search economy to an answer economy. Users aren't satisfied skimming headlines anymore. They want synthesized clarity fast. The human shift from searching to co-thinking. Think about the psychology here. When you Google something, you hunt for answers. You open 10 tabs, compare, and doubt. When you ask an AI, you collaborate. You refine, expand, and personalize. Search was about information. Answers are about understanding. And your customers, they are not typing two-word queries anymore. They are writing 80-word prompts with full context and intent. That means the business showing up in these answers aren't just the ones that ranked high. They are the ones AI trusts. Use cases, how people are already adopting answer engines. This shift is already everywhere. Entrepreneurs are generating pitch decks, analyzing markets, and validating ideas. Writers are breaking creative blocks and brainstorming faster than ever. Corporate teams use AI for SOPs, reports, and meeting summaries. We are no longer finding content. We are creating knowledge in real time, shaped around exactly what we need. There's still a catch. Critical thinking still matters. Now, let's get real. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. It can hallucinate, literally make things up. It can reflect bias from its training data, and it can make people lazy if they stop questioning what they read. That's why I say AI should be your thinking partner, not your thinking replacement. Question and verify the details. Ask better questions. Check your sources. Stay curious. From SEO to AEO, staying visible in the answer engine era. If you want your business to stay visible, this is the shift that matters most. Traditional SEO was about ranking for blue links. AEO, answer engine optimization, is about being referenced inside AI answers. Here's how to do it. Build topical authority. Create deep, connected content clusters. Use structured data like schema and FAQs. Make your information easy for AI to parse. Add original insights and example AI can quote, not generic SEO filler. Strengthen trust signals. Show expertise, cite data, display author credibility. You can't trick AI the way you used to trick Google. You need to teach it who you are. That's the new SEO, or rather, the new AEO. The big picture from search to core thinking. Search engines dominated Web 1.0 and 2.0. They helped us index a universe of information. But in the age of AI, information isn't the bottleneck anymore. Understanding is. The real competitive edge isn't in knowing all the answer. It's in knowing how to ask smarter questions and letting your AI help you grow. Ask smarter, think deeper, stay visible. So now you know the blue link era is fading, and the future belongs to those who become the answer. But understanding that shift isn't enough. You still need to make sure AI actually recognizes your business as the expert was quoting. That's exactly what I cover in the next video. AI SEO optimization, how to rank in AI search. You'll learn how to train AI to identify your expertise, how to optimize for AI overviews, and how to build the kind of authorities that machines and people trust. Click right here to watch it, and let's make sure your brand doesn't just survive this shift, it leads it.